Hello everyone, and welcome back for another review with Firdaus. So I will be reviewing another drawing app, and it's called Learn Drawing. So we have here in Google Play here, and I'm just going to go ahead and search for Learn Drawing. And the app I'm looking for, this one I already did, so the app I'm looking for is, let's go going down. Yeah, this one, this app. So here you can see I'm going to install this. Click on install, and it's a tiny app, as you can see, 7 megs. So compared to other drawing apps, which are typically between 20 and 60 megs, it's quite lean. So if you're familiar with my reviews, I go through the install and a quick guide, and then it's followed by another video of a drawing demonstration through the app. So you can comfortably go through it. It's quite short, and you'll be able to see if it's good for you. It's fully installed now, and all I'm going to do now is open it. Get personalized drawing lessons perfect for you. Continue. Beginner, I barely draw. Let's try intermediate. I draw consistently every week. Pencil, select your drawing types. I like pencil. Next, creating your plan. That's a bit strange. I thought I was going to come into a drawing app where I could start drawing right away. But a number of apps I have seen reviewed recently are now coming up with this kind of transition. Instead of taking you to a drawing app, they're trying to funnel you into some other kind of plan. So let's go and see what this plan is all about. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. It reminds me of the previous drawing app that I pointed out earlier. So it's $24.99 6 months, so it's almost $50 per year, and then it's monthly $5, and so it will be $60 for one whole year if you did that. But for an app, you know, I'm a bit hesitant in doing this. I mean, what is it actually going to show me? It doesn't give me any real incentives to try this out, because I'm pretty sure when I click on the 3-day free trial, I will be probably having to submit my card. So let's go ahead and check what happens. Oh, start. Okay. Yep, so there it is. It's opened up my Visa card held by Google Pay, and would need to subscribe to it. So again, I'm sad to say that I won't be proceeding with this app, but if you have used this app and want to make comments, please go ahead and make them in the comment section below, or you can visit the Paintology website, which I recommend thoroughly, and then post your reviews there, or download the app and try it out for yourself and see what you think. Okay, let's take a look at the reviews, the public reviews for this Learn Drawing app. So when you come to this Play Store listing, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the number of reviews, the downloads, and you can see it's got a rating of 3.7, which is okay, so-so. And right away, we can see the full experience. I was not getting all I can get is a free trial. Yeah, so it's behind a paywall, you know, my disappointment too as well. So the response is not very helpful. I think that I had given 3 stars as it's online. It's not offline, and through online we can learn more easy through YouTube. Yeah, Yeah, that makes sense. This one also helps to improve your drawing skills. Such a nice app. So, here it is talking about a nice app. I don't know what's behind this app, so I'm not so sure about this review. So if you go and click on see all reviews, you can now sort it out as most relevant or most recent. Let's look at the most recent and then apply. Very, very, very excellent, really. Oh, so love it. If you have another, send for me. I love it. If you have another, that's that's really weird. Nice app for drawings, free and every day. No, I don't think it's free. It should be an option to save it and share it with others. Otherwise, it is good. Please add Diwali craft and drawings. Okay, I don't know what that means. Good. Thank you. It's not free, so it's the worst game ever. What makes the game so expensive? I don't understand. Yeah, so now you can see it's going down, and then in between we get 5 stars. So it yo-yos between 1 star and a 5 star. So I'm sort of leaning towards the 1 star rating, which is a reflection of what I've seen in the app. And as for the 5 stars, they don't give much description. Okay, yeah, so really, if you like it so much, help the other users with a bit more substance, please. It's okay, keep in mind that I'm not getting the full user experience. The most I can get is a free trial. Yeah, it makes sense. Whatever is actually useful is behind a paywall. Yeah, that's the one we read earlier. Not happy. Scam app, yeah, well, very possibly true. It was good. So again, you see, that's why I'm reluctant to believe the 5 stars. It doesn't really tell you what's behind it. It should, if it was the 5 star, they would actually give you a bit of a description of what was behind this painting app, what actually they liked about it. Again, it's very simple, ineffectual rating, and we know about different types of it. I don't know, it's well, this guy's given it the worst app, but it actually gave him 4 stars. Good for him. So there you are, the ones that have 5 stars, very thin in its idea of what the app is all about, just saying it's great, awesome, and all that. And the 1 star are more related to the app behind the paywall, which user mentioned, so as I have seen myself. So you can decide for yourself. If you really want to go ahead and use this app, I suggest you're very careful in your 3-day trial, because the idea of the 3-day trial is to give you such short time for you to almost forget to cancel that subscription, and lo and behold, you are billed at $30. So if you really want to go and test it out, if you're still keen on trying out this app, I wouldn't call it an app because I can't assess it as an app. If you really want to try it out, please opt for the $5, I think, per month. At least you won't be worse off. $5, you have ample time to use it, and also dismiss it, uninstall it, whatever you feel like. So I hope this review was helpful, and please post your comments down below. And for further reviews, sign up to my channel, subscribe, and I will bring you more reviews. Thank you, and hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.